Hi guys, welcome to Organic Facts. In this video, we will talk about the 8 amazing benefits of cilantro that will make you add it to your recipes right away. Cilantro is a popular herb that is praised for its rich, spicy flavor. The antioxidant properties of cilantro help reduce oxidative stress in your body. Cilantro helps protect you against cardiovascular diseases as it is rich in vitamin K. Cilantro is a great remedy for stomach issues like indigestion, cramps, or bloating. Eating cilantro regularly helps boost vision health and prevent aging diseases like macular degeneration. Cilantro is used for relieving the discomfort caused by painful symptoms of menstruation. The anti-inflammatory properties of coriander help treat arthritis and other inflammatory issues. Cilantro is used in many juices and drinks as it aids in detoxification. Cilantro is rich in iron and is highly beneficial for people suffering from anemia. Add these green leaves to your diet and enjoy the health benefits. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Organic Facts.